guys, welcome to the channel. So as you saw today, it's going to be an unboxing. So what I want to get out of the way first is the correct pronunciation, or the correct way you say the name of the company. The company is Babalabag. I think I may have said in previous videos Babalabags with an S, but it's Babalabag, and their website is babalabag.co, not .com, co. So anyway, with all that out of the way, girl, listen, I got something for you. So, you know, I kind of like a structured bag, right? So this bag has structure, and it, in my opinion, is multi-purpose. So first of all, this is how it comes boxed. Okay, so it has a magnetic, let me back up, a magnetic closure. And so you open it up, and of course, here's your tissue. And then the bag. So let me say this, to save time, this actually comes in another protective bag, a heavy plastic bag. So, but to save time, I already took that off. So then you open the bag, and take that, that's just cardboard. And then here is, well, here is our bag. So this is a mirror Balenciaga rodeo bag. I was saying rodeo, but it's rodeo. So again, let's take some, you know, I should have got some scissors. Wait a minute, I might be able to get this off. Come on, Shira. So, I really like undoing this with you guys so you can see how they really come. So, wait a minute, girl. Let me figure this out. There is, okay. Now this is the medium. Let me get the rest of this off. Okay. So you have some protection here on the pockets to make sure. Then protection on your, girl, hold on. But I think it's always good to let you see how well it comes wrapped, because you know you don't want your stuff damaged in shipping. I'll have to get some scissors to get that off, because that's a piece of tape. Okay. So on these little, okay, this is 2 rings. And on the ring, I don't know how well you can see that, it says Balenciaga. And it also says it on this side. Can you see that? Okay. So you know, you know, if you've been here anytime, you know I'm a silver girl. So I'm always happy when I see silver hardware. So you got silver hardware clasp, and the things holding the handle there. So this has protective covering. Let's see if I can get that off real quick. As long as I get some of it off, I guess. So you can see the real, okay. So it's kind of like would you say a brushed nickel? I like it. I like it a lot. So then here's our inside. So we have more protection, more stuffing. So we got stuffing. And more stuffing. So this is how it is made. You got a front pocket. You got a second pocket. Then you have your zipper area. And as you see, it says Balenciaga there. Now this, you guys, is like it's almost like not quite a pebble leather, but there is like it's got a texture to it. Wait a minute, I was doing that like you could see. It's got like a texture to it. Now on the sides, you have snaps in case you need to expand for more things. Remember we had that conversation though, you guys. I told you about me knocking my hip out of socket by carrying too much in my purse. And remember my work bag I was telling you guys about? So be mindful of that. Even though it's available, you don't have to always use it. Now on the back side, there are two pockets. You got a pocket here and a pocket here. Guys, I'm loving this. I'm love. Wait a minute. I thought I snapped that. So hold on, I want to put the snap back together. Because I'm not sure if I would want it. Let's see what that looks like. I don't know if I want that expanded. I don't know if I like that look. But you can. So, I know some people use this as a work bag. Like they'll put their laptop, if you have a small laptop. You could put it on one side and your other belongings on the other. It also comes with a shoulder strap. So let's see. I know a lot of people love a good shoulder strap. Now sometimes when I'm shopping, I don't mind, you know, the word like a crossbody to free my hands. But that's only when I'm shopping. Let's see. So we're going to clip these on real quick. I will clip this on real quick. I said I did like I'm clipping on two of them. Close this back up. And here is our bag. So I almost forgot, this bag features the feet on the bottom that makes it great for setting your purse down, not on the ground. I think I need more stuff. I need more stuffing in here so you can get the actual feel. I'm gonna use this stuff so we can see what it really looks like. Doing it like that. Push that down and let's see. I'm sorry, I had to close that one side. So with the, you know, I'm not going to carry it this way. This is my way of choice. It's this way. And as I said, I need to get this little paper off there. But I am loving this. This is great to use for a pop of color. Now, I did hear someone say that with the laptop and their other belongings, this bag was heavy. Well, if that's the case, then don't put your laptop in there, okay? And carry it the way. I'm going to use it. You know I'm retired, so I won't be using it as a work bag, but I will be using it as just a regular bag and for a pop of color. And this is absolutely fabulous. I'm loving it. And you know, all my leather bags, and I always say this because I think it's wise to do, but all my leather bags, I put a leather protectant on it before I carry it so that the leather stays good and protected. So, you know, yes, this is cute. I'm loving this. What do you think? So again, it's Babalabag, and the site is babalabag.co, C-O. Yes, this. Oh, and let me put my discount code right. Let's put it over here. Here's my discount code for your shopping convenience. Girl, I'm liking this. So listen, Linda, listen. So I have pink shoes. I don't have this pale pink. I have hot pink, like these shorts I have on. But I think this is reason and cause enough to get a new pair of shoes. What do you think? Yes, I am loving this. Love, love, love. So let me give you a real close look so that you can see. Now, when I saw this was kind of like flat on the top like that. I'm gonna have to get it, you know. There you go. Girl. I'm taking this strap off because I already know that's not my jam. And I don't know, I just don't like it on here. But if you are, what do you call it? A strap person, go ahead, girl. And actually, this is enough room in here that you can still put it on your shoulder if you wanted to. You just can't crossbody it. But look, girl, look. Yes, got a space for my keys, space for my phone, so I'm not digging. Anytime I don't have to dig is an absolute blessing. Got my silver hardware like I like. Yes, yes, and double yes. So, again, now listen, my discount code, I'm going to put the link for this, but my discount code works on all products. So if you see something else on their site that you like, you can still use the discount code on that. Okay, girl. So you know I love to share a good thing with you. So I'm going to close right here, but you know what I love to say? I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.